Hey there! Do you ever wonder how technology like self-driving cars, smart home assistants, or those chatbots that answer your questions online actually work? The secret sauce behind these incredible inventions is a field of computer science called artificial intelligence, or AI. So let's break down what AI is, why it matters, and how it's changing our world. Think of artificial intelligence as the branch of computer science that focuses on making machines or software that can perform tasks that we normally need human intelligence for. But what does that even mean? Well, it's all about creating computer programs that can do things like learn from experience, solve problems, make decisions, understand natural language, and even perceive the world around them just like we do. But before we dive into how AI works, let's start with a quick definition. AI is the ability of a machine or computer program to simulate human-like thinking, reasoning, learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It's like teaching a computer how to think. Now, let's explore some of the key abilities of AI. First, we have learning. This means that an AI system can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. For example, AI can learn to recognize faces by looking at thousands of pictures of people. Next, reasoning allows AI to make decisions or solve problems based on the information it has learned. Like when you use a map app to find the fastest route somewhere, that app uses AI to reason through traffic patterns and road closures to give you the best route. Perception is another important aspect of AI. It's the ability to understand what's going on in the world around you. This might mean recognizing speech or understanding the meaning of a sentence. For example, Apple's Siri is an AI that can perceive your spoken words and respond accordingly. AI is also great at processing natural language, which means understanding and generating human language. This ability enables chatbots to communicate with us in a way that feels natural. And finally, robotics is another area where AI is making big waves. It's the ability of AI to control physical devices like robots or self-driving cars. Now that we know some of the key abilities of AI, let's take a look at the different types of AI. First, we have narrow or weak AI. This type of AI can perform a specific task, like a chatbot that can answer your questions based on a set of rules or a recommendation system that suggests movies you might like on Netflix. Narrow AI is the most common type of AI today, and is what powers many of the AI-driven applications we use every day. Next, we have general or strong AI. This type of AI would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can do, like solving complex math problems or understanding natural language. General AI is still in development, but some experts believe it could become a reality in the future. Finally, we have superintelligent AI. This is a hypothetical type of AI that has surpassed human intelligence and is capable of doing things that humans can't even imagine yet. Superintelligent AI is only in theory for now, but it's a concept that's explored in many science fiction stories. Now that you know the basics of AI, you're probably wondering how it's used in the real world. Here are a few examples. Google Search and Maps use AI to help users find what they're looking for quickly and easily. Chatbots like me use NLP to understand and respond to user queries. Recommendation systems on Netflix or YouTube use AI to suggest shows and videos that you might like based on your viewing history. Face Unlock on phones use facial recognition technology, which is a type of AI, to authenticate users. Self-driving cars use computer vision and deep learning, both of which are part of AI, to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. Medical diagnosis tools use AI to analyze patient data and help doctors make informed decisions. These are just a few examples, and there are many other ways that AI is being used to improve our lives. However, AI also comes with a set of challenges and concerns: bias in algorithms, job automation, privacy and surveillance, ethical decision-making, and misuse in warfare or the spread of misinformation, are some of the critical issues we need to address as AI continues to develop. So why should you care about AI? Simply put, AI is transforming industries like healthcare, education, transport, entertainment, and finance, to name a few. It's helping us solve problems faster, reduce human error, and come up with innovative solutions that were not possible before. However, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. That's why it's essential to understand how AI works and the potential impact it can have on our lives. By learning about AI, we can help ensure that it's used responsibly and ethically to benefit everyone. I hope this video gave you a helpful introduction to artificial intelligence. If you're interested in learning more about AI, stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.